Please welcome to the stage the best football team on planet Earth.
Goalkeeper Gigi Buffon. The defenders Dani Alves. Marcelo, make some noise. Sergio Ramos. Leonardo Bonucci. And in the midfield, Luka Modric. Toni Kroos. Joining them, Andre Iniesta. The awesome forwards, Lionel Messi, Neymar. And the man like Cristiano Ronaldo.